Welcome to a journey through the development of expert systems and symbolic AI. Get ready to explore the fascinating history and significance of these groundbreaking technologies. In the early days, expert systems emerged as a revolutionary approach to problem solving. They were designed to mimic human expertise and provide intelligent solutions. Symbolic AI, also known as classical AI, focused on using logical rules and symbolic representations to solve complex problems. It laid the foundation for many AI applications we see today. One of the most notable projects in the history of AI is the Dendril project. It aimed to develop an expert system capable of analyzing chemical compounds, revolutionizing the field of chemistry. Expert systems and symbolic AI have paved the way for numerous advancements in various industries. Their impact can be seen in fields like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. As AI enthusiasts and computer science students, it's crucial to understand the foundations of expert systems and symbolic AI. This knowledge will empower you to shape the future of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow creators who are always on the lookout for fresh inspiration. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and remember, the only limit is your imagination.